Let's explore how to fetch unique records from database tables using the SQL SELECT DISTINCT statement. It is a fundamental tool for data analysis and reporting. Let's understand the problem of duplicate data. Database tables often contain duplicate values. A regular select statement returns all rows, including these duplicates. However, analysis often requires unique values only, and report generation needs to eliminate these duplicates. For example, the SQL query, select department from employees, may return a list of departments with duplicates such as HR, Finance, IT, HR, Marketing, Finance, IT, and IT again. Here's the basic syntax for the distinct keyword. You use select distinct followed by the name of the column, and then from the table name. For example, select distinct department from employees. Applying select distinct to the previous example returns only the unique departments: HR, Finance, IT, and Marketing. This is how it looks before and after applying the distinct keyword. Before using the distinct keyword, we have a regular select statement, which returns duplicate values like HR, Finance, IT, HR, Marketing, Finance, IT, and IT. After applying select distinct, we get only unique values like HR, Finance, IT, and Marketing. Now let's see how to use distinct with multiple columns. You can select multiple distinct columns by listing them after the select distinct keyword, separated by commas. For example, select distinct department, job_title from employees. In this case, distinct treats the combination of all specified columns as a single unique entry. Rows are only considered duplicates if all specified columns have identical values. For example, the output of the query is Department HR and Job Title Manager, Department Finance and Job Title Analyst, Department IT and Job Title Developer, Department HR and Job Title Recruiter, Department Marketing and Job Title Specialist, Department Finance and Job Title Director, Department IT and Job Title Lead. Please note that the order of results depends on the database system. You can combine distinct with a where clause to filter data before removing duplicates. Here are some examples. Select distinct department from employees where salary greater than 50,000. Select distinct city from customers where country equals USA. And select distinct product _ category from products where price less than 100 and in _ stock equals true. The query execution order is as follows. First, it goes from the from clause which selects the table, then the where clause which filters the rows, and finally the distinct clause which removes the duplicates to give the unique results. To sort the distinct results, use the order by clause. For example, select distinct department from employees order by department ASC. This will return the departments in ascending order such as Finance, HR, IT, Marketing. Another example, select distinct country from customers order by country desk. In this example, the country names will be returned in descending order. The query execution order is from clause where clause if present, select distinct and order by clause. You can sort the results in ascending order, which is the default, or descending order. It's important to consider the performance implications of using distinct. Distinct affects processing speed. It requires additional processing to identify and remove duplicates, which can impact query performance on large datasets. Also, it increases the memory usage. The database engine may need to create temporary tables to perform the distinct operation, consuming additional memory. To improve performance, use proper indexing on the columns used with distinct can significantly improve performance, especially for large tables. It is advisable to consider execution time in milliseconds against number of rows with and without distinct to determine the correct usage. Here are some best practices to keep in mind when using distinct. Be specific with columns, only use distinct on columns that actually need duplicate removal. Consider using group by as an alternative when you need to perform aggregations along with unique values. Use appropriate indexes on columns used with distinct to improve performance. Test performance on large data sets, especially when using distinct with multiple columns. To summarize, distinct removes duplicate rows from your query results. It works on the combination of all selected columns. It can be combined with where and order by clauses, but its performance impact increases with data set size. Common use cases are finding all unique categories in a product catalog, identifying distinct locations of customers, listing unique combinations of department and job title, creating drop-down lists for user interfaces, and data analysis and reporting tasks. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.